Hello, Bacha Party. How are you? What's up? You must be busy in your preparations for exams. But whenever you are free, just listen to Dipti Nani's story and you will be fresh once again. And I am sure you will also find some new words from Dipti Nani's story. Today I am going to tell you story of a duck and a duckling. There lived one beautiful duckling with his mother and father. One day, the mother duck asked the duckling to go with her the water for a swim. But the duckling said, "No, Mama, no. I don't want to come in cold water. I don't want to dive in water and I don't want to take bath." Mother duck said, "Come on, my dear child, you have to know how to swim in the water because you know one thing, the little ones of hen, they walk on the ground. The young ones of sparrow, they fly. And the young ones of duck, that is duckling, they swim in the water. But this duckling was very reluctant to go in the water. So one day the mother duck took this duckling near the river and she showed him the beautiful river. And she said that, "See, my dear child, there are so many different colors of fishes in this river. There is a boat, there are some small beings moving in the water. Come on, we will go and swim in the water and we'll take bath in this river." But the duckling said the same thing. "No, no, I don't want to come in this cold water. I don't want to take bath. I won't dive in the river." Then next day, the mother duck took him near the lake and she said that, "Come on, my child, we'll go in this lake for a bath. We will swim. See, there are beautiful lotus flowers and we'll go there, we'll enjoy. There are some small plants also and there are chestnut plants also in this lake. Come on, you will enjoy." Same way the duckling started, "No, no, no, I don't want to come in cold water. I don't want to die. I don't want to take bath." Now mother duck was wondering what to do. So she took him near one small pond. There also this duckling said the same thing. But at this time the father duck heard this. So he asked the duckling, "What happened, my child?" And the duckling said, "No, nothing has happened, but my mother, she is telling me to swim in this pond, but I don't want to." So the father duck said, "Okay, don't do it, but just look down what is there in this pond." And when he looked down, the father duck just pushed him in the water. And would you believe, to the surprise of duckling, it started swimming. First he waved his wings and he started swimming very nicely and he started enjoying. And then next day he told his mother, "Come on, Mama, we'll go to the lake." They went in the lake, they took bath and he started swimming. Then they also went to the river and he enjoyed swimming in the water. And he learned one thing, that he should have done swimming before only. Why did he grumble and he did not listen to his mother? So what do you learn from the story? We learn from the story is that whatever things we have to do, we have to do, whether we like or not. Whether you like to do your homework or not, you have to do. Whether you like or not, you have to do your PT exercises. Whether you like or not, you have to take bath. Whether you like or not, you have to eat. So whatever things you have to do, whether you like or not. So you be a good child and do whatever is necessary to do. Otherwise, what will happen? Your parents, like the father of duckling, will have to force you. Even if you are sick and you have to take the medicine, do take it. When mama or daddy says you have to take the medicines, whether you like or not, whether it may be sweet or not. And remember one thing, medicines are not always tasty. They are hardly tasty. They are not good in taste. But if you have to take to improve your health, you have to take. If you don't take, mama or daddy will have to hold your nose tightly and give you medicine. So you don't give this chance to your mommy or daddy, and be a good child. If you like my story, do like, share and subscribe if you have not. And do remember, subscription is totally free, and do press the notification icon. So as soon as Dipti Nani is there with a new story, you will immediately get the notification. And bye till I come with a new story. Love you, bachcha log.